Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Progress for Beginners. Thank you for listening today. Today, we will talk about how to build good habits. Habits are things we do every day. Some habits are good, some habits are bad. Good habits help us grow. Bad habits stop our progress. Let's learn how to build good habits step by step. First, start small. Do not try to change everything at once. For example, do not say, I will study English for 3 hours every day. That is too much. Instead, say, I will study English for 10 minutes every day. 10 minutes is easy. 10 minutes is possible. Small actions create big results. Second, be consistent. Consistency means doing something again and again. Not one day, not 2 days, but every day. If you practice English every day, you will improve slowly. Maybe you cannot see progress today. Maybe you cannot see progress tomorrow. But after 1 month, you will see a big change. Do not stop. Keep going. Third, make a simple plan. Choose a time. Choose a place. For example, I will study English at 8 p.m. in my room. Once you have a fixed time, your brain remembers. A plan makes your habit stronger. Do not try to do too many things. If you want to improve English, focus on English. Listen to podcasts. Read simple books. Practice speaking. One goal. Clear focus. Once you finish one goal, then choose another goal. Sometimes you feel tired. Sometimes you feel lazy. That is normal. When you feel tired, talk to yourself kindly. Say, it's okay. I can try again. I will not give up. Many people stop because they want to be perfect. But nobody is perfect. If you miss one day, it is okay. Start again tomorrow. Progress is more important than perfection. Once you finish your task, give yourself a small reward. You can drink your favorite coffee. You can watch your favorite show. You can take a short rest. Rewards make habits enjoyable. Let's take an example. If you want to improve English, step 1. Study 10 minutes a day. Step 2. Listen to one short pocket. Step 3. Repeat new words. Step 4. Speak one sentence aloud. Do this every day. After 30 days, you will feel more confident. Confidence grows with practice. Good habits change your life. You do not need to be smart. You do not need to be rich. Small steps every day. Remember, little by little, you become better and better. Thank you for listening to English Pocket for Beginners. See you in the next episode. Keep practicing, keep improving, and never give up.